Hello, my name is Leanne Biksui. I work with the Navajo Nation Special Diabetes Program. Today we are presenting our Southwest Healthy Eating series. Our presentation is on nutrition to prevent diabetes with the recipe herbs, roasted chicken with vegetables. Nutrition basics. Healthy eating shouldn't be that complicated. So in this recipe with this roasted chicken and veggies, we're going to go ahead and get a pound of carrots. We're going to go ahead and get one onion. We're going to go ahead and get one lemon. And then 1 pound of beets. We're also going to have 1 leaf of garlic. So this recipe is good for 6 people in the household. And then as you see, when we think about my plate. Now we mostly have nothing but veggies on the table. That is good. More veggies, good for the body. Oh, and also what comes with this ingredients is red potatoes. You can avoid this or you can keep this in there, either way. But if you really want to cut back on your calories, don't really add the potatoes. But this is red potatoes, not your brown potatoes. Then the main finale, your chicken. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start on the spices. So right now, I got 2 of my coolest friends. One is tablespoon and the other one is 1/4 tablespoons. The canola oil, you're gonna have it at 1/4 of a cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that one. And then, like I said, so first one I'm gonna go ahead and use is oregano. Also, we're gonna add on basil leaves. This one's also 1 teaspoon. That's why I'm saying that these are my best friends for this ingredients. Alright, here's some salt. So I'm only going to put in half of this. We're really going to cut back on some salt here. And at the same time, we're going to do that with our pepper. Pepper is going to be half of this. That's about half. This one is optional, rosemary. So this one is also going to be 1 tablespoon. This is going to give it a really good herbal taste to it. So 1 tablespoon. So right now what I'm doing is I had some spices in here earlier. Now I'm going to, whatever is remaining of the spices, I'm going to go ahead and put on the chicken, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then after we have that sit, once the veggies are in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and bring it back out, and then we're gonna place the chicken on top of the veggies. Carrots, beets, onions, and red potatoes in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, let it sit for 10 minutes, and we're gonna bring it back up, and we're gonna add the chicken after this. Look at that. It smells so good. Oh, wow. That looks so delicious. Now we just rotate these again. Now, the red one, as you see, all that white stuff, that's mostly coming from your beets. I'm going to stir it up again. Now what you want to do is go ahead and put the chicken on top. So when you put this back in the oven, you're going to want to go ahead and keep tossing and turning every 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the oven. Thinking of healthy eating as a food that you want to keep in your diet, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, etc., rather than food you have to try to summon with willpower to avoid. Using your body's cues to eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and just turn the chicken I'm not gonna do any fancy tossing around here, but it's just simple toss and turning, because we're gonna have this in here for quite a while. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add some brown rice to this recipe. You don't have to, but you can. But just because I just want to, so I'm gonna add some brown rice. So idea of it is gonna be 6 servings, so 6 individuals. So usually I'll go ahead and just open this up. Fill the 3 cups. Oh, almost the whole thing. Does that look good? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stir the veggies real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and check the chicken. Check where the temp is at. Remember, if you're cooking chicken, it's 165 degrees. You know when it's done. So we're going to go ahead and get our rice portion size. I'm going to go ahead and get that much out there. Get some of these veggies in there. And also 6 ounces of your chicken. So right there, it should be a one hearty meal. You have your chicken, you have your whole grains, and all your veggies on one side.